Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to today's video. This is a very exciting video on a new palette that has come out from Too Faced. I haven't actually heard too many people talk about it. Hold on. Okay. So obviously you can hear my voice. I am sick. I'm not feeling well. But this palette came out and I have been waiting and waiting for this palette, and I actually stalked the Too Faced website because Trend Mood on Instagram had actually said that they were launching it on Too Faced on January 11th and then on Sephora on January 17th, 16th, and I stalked their website on the 11th. It never dropped, so that was a shame, but it finally dropped on the 16th on Sephora, and that's when I snatched it up, and I actually had the 2-day shipping, so it came like super early, which is really nice. So once I received my palette, this is how it came in a little box. It looks just like the Sweet Peach, or Just Peachy, whatever it's called, the first one that came out. This is like the same packaging, only this one is like a light purple with a peachy peach. So it looks just the same. It feels like a matte type of box, and it comes with a little card that shows you how to do some different looks in there. Love the color, love the packaging, looks beautiful. So I did a close-up of the actual packaging here, and this is what it looks like, identical to the first palette that they came out with look at my fingerprints already. It looks identical to the first one that they came out with. Has the little closure here, and here is the inside of the palette. I thought this palette looked gorgeous, and I honestly really just wanted it solely for this color right here. This is something I haven't seen before. It's something that I don't have, and it was something that just really caught my eye, and I was like, I need that color. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I bought it, but I also love Too Faced packaging. I love the colors that they come out with and things like that, so I was obviously going to purchase it anyways, and also to review on my channel for you guys. And yeah, so this is what it looks like, and it's very pretty. A nice light purple to white ombre effect there. And the colors are very like springy, and I really like that, but it does kind of resemble the first Peachy Matte palette that I have. Honestly, the only colors that for me personally I think are a little different are this Peach Ice, On the Grill, and Peach Passion, and it's this one, and this one here. All the other ones I feel like are very similar to the first palette. So I also have heard some controversy over these peach palettes because everyone seems to be over them and that they're not big anymore and it's time to move on to other things, and honestly I kind of feel the same, but I kind of don't, because I mean Too Faced is going to come out with like new peach palettes either way, and I think that they're nice when they come out, but it would be nice on the other hand to come out with something different. And just so Too Faced knows, I'm going to put this in here. Pineapples are a big thing this year, okay? I was looking for party decorations for Molly's birthday party, and they're all lemon themed, and there's no lemons, they're all mineapples. So Too Faced, you're going to hop on that bandwagon of pineapples this year. Anyways, so I did a close-up of this palette, which I will insert here. And then I also created this look, which I will show you guys closer to the end of this video. But while I was doing that tutorial, I do want to go over some things that I saw within this palette. They are very blendable eyeshadows, and I really like that because it blended so nicely over the crease and out underneath my brow bone, so it's not like a harsh like shadow line, which I really like. I also like the fact that the colors don't blend into one. you can actually see the difference in colors, which is also really nice because sometimes they just kind of like mesh into one color and it's kind of gross. And then the next thing is this Peach Passion, which is this blue glitter color. Oh my god, it is phenomenal. I picked that up on my little brush here. It's from Eco Tools, and it's just like a flat eyeshadow brush. Picked it up like no problem. It wasn't wet, it was a dry brush, and it just glided on there. Beautiful pigmentation. It was amazing. There is one downfall to this palette, and I used this shade Sweet Fig and Peach Smoothie, and those two, as far as I can see, I don't know if it was the brush I was using or if it's the actual shadow, but this one and this one, those two had the most fallout. It was just going everywhere, and then you'd like tap off the brush and it's just like poof, like a genie went off in my room. And it was like, I don't know, I don't like when shadow does that because I like to keep my shadow palettes like nice and neat and clean, and I don't like when the shadow goes all over my shadow palette and other colors and mixes up. I don't like that. So the fact that there was so much fallout to where it was getting into another shadow is like not okay. I think that it needs to be a little bit cleaner in that aspect and not have so much fallout. So that's kind of disappointing to me. And when I received my palette, I had a little nick in my shadow here in the Peaches and Dreams, so that was kind of disappointing, but what are you gonna do about it, you know what I mean? So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm starting to cough because I'm talking so much in this video, but I really wanted to get this video up because I'm so excited about this palette, and I'm so excited to do this video for you guys. So I created this look right here, and I think it turned out amazing. I mean, obviously I wish I have my false eyelashes on, but honestly, after this video I'm just going to take this off because if I was going out though, man, I'd be rocking this with my false eyelashes, and this is, I think, a gorgeous, gorgeous look. I really like it, and they did a great job putting the colors together, and that blue color on point. So I think if you want to try out another Too Faced palette, this one isn't bad. It's not, I don't think it's as good as the Peachy Matte, but if you want a new spring palette, I definitely think this one is a good option for you. But it is $45, and I think that if you can bypass it, honestly, you may want to. They should just come out with like a single shadow in that blue color. Maybe even this Peach Ice, because that looks amazing too. You know what? Let me just swatch it. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's like an ice princess. Come on. That's amazing. What about this pink one? Now, these glitters do feel kind of chalky, so I don't know. It feels, oh my gosh, I have a tear running down my face. Can you see that? I don't know that you can, but I have a tear running down my face because I'm coughing. But this blue color, alright, out of all three that I just swatched, the ice one didn't, I mean, it feels chalky, but it's not like overly chalky. That pink glistening peach, that one is chalky and chunky, and I don't know what went wrong with that one. But that blue one, look at that. That was so smooth. That's probably why it went on so well. It's a very smooth glitter, and oh my gosh, they just need to come out with a single in that, and honestly, that's probably the only color you're gonna need to add to your collection. Yeah, that one is amazing. Like, I know it's not gonna focus, but just take it all in. It's amazing. Oh my. But yeah, so like I said, if you want to splurge on this palette and just add, if you're a collector, then go ahead. Honestly, if you don't want any more makeup or you don't need it, honestly, it's probably not worth it for you. Just bug Too Faced to make that single shadow, because like I said, you need that one in your life. But anyways, without just rambling on into everything I could talk about with this palette, why don't I just throw in the tutorial that I did for you guys, and I will see you at the end of that. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that little tutorial that I did for you. Like I said, I think it turned out really great. I can't wait to play around with the other colors, and you are the judge of whether you're going to buy this palette or not. If you're over the Too Faced Peaches, then, you know, it is what it is, honestly. And if you want to add something to your collection just to, you know, add it, then go ahead. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that video and like the little tutorial that I had done for you guys, and like I said, I think it turned out really great. I think that the colors blended out really nicely, and that everything doesn't look so patchy, and it just effortless I guess is the right word. So you guys can be the judge of whether you're going to purchase this or not, and if you do have the palette and you have a different view on it, or you want to know anything else about the palette, let me know down in the comments below, and I would love to know if you guys like the palette or if you don't like the palette. And if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button on your screen and the little bell to get notified of more videos. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by February 20th. Can we do it? Probably not. But yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye!